Hey guys, today I just want to show you my favorite G-Shock, and it's just a simple square DW5600 square G-Shock, and yeah, it's absolutely my favorite one. And while we are stuck here in a corner, I just decided to give you a little show and tell. I have other G-Shocks, I have other watches, but this has always been my favorite because it's so simple. It's easy to fix. You don't need an instruction manual to fix it and set it up, set the time. It's very intuitive. There's a silver version, which I guess could be better, but I just like plain old simple. That's it. You have your day, you have your date, you have your time. Also, you have additional features like a stopwatch and other things, but overall you have day, date, time, and you have here a light button. You have a light button here, and yeah, that's easy. That's it. Very easy. So if you find yourself stuck in a corner, stuck in a pitch, stuck in a ditch, you have your Reliant G-Shock. Another thing that I really like about this G-Shock, comparing to other G's, is that it's thinner. It's by all means, it's not a thin watch, but comparing to other G-Shock, it's very thinner and it's very comfortable on the wrist, easy to wear. This one can arguably slide under the cuff, and I have other G-Shock, bigger G-Shock, the round one, which I'm using as a beater, and it's my work watch, and this one is my go-to weekend watch. And I messed up my other G-Shock, so I don't want to mess up this one. And this has been also a gift. It was given to me by my friends, and yeah, absolutely love it and definitely recommend it. The price wise, this G-Shock is also a blast, because this is well below $100. So on Amazon, I will try to find your Amazon link, but this is well below $100, and it just goes with everything. I have this my casual summer outfit, and I'm going to the park with my boy, but currently we are stuck here, and someone does not want to get out. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait it out. And while I decided, I just gave up, and while I was waiting, check out this old Merc. Yeah, while I'm waiting, I decided to do a quick review, and yeah, definitely cool watch, love it, perfect. I think this is a perfect beater watch, perfect sporty watch. No gadgets, no frills about it, no Bluetooth. I have a G-Shock with a Bluetooth. I never use it. Sometimes it will sync up with the app on my phone, and it's just another unnecessary app. So you have too much apps on your phone, and this just looks great. Look at the angles, look at the moments, look at the profile, side profile. The band on the newer G-Shocks is a bit more softer. This is an old school G-Shock, has an old school band, and it's a bit stiffer, but it's still a leather band, and yeah, no biggie there. So what else? I think I mentioned everything. I covered all. Yeah, let me just try to show you the light here. No, I cannot show you the light, but it's just a regular good old G-Shock light. And there's something about these watches that reminds me about the old school, about my childhood actually, because this is one of my first experiences with the digital watches, and I absolutely love it. So it's a bit of a reminiscing, it's a bit of a memory, and I'm looking forward to make memories with this one, also this one. So thank you guys. I'm EDC Connor. You've been watching the channel EDC Watches, and yeah, see ya.